In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track alcohol in MyFitnessPal. This is a useful skill for anyone looking to monitor their alcohol intake while keeping an eye on their overall nutrition. Let's get started. First, open the MyFitnessPal app on your device. This app is designed to help you track your food, exercise, and other health-related activities. When you open it, you'll see your dashboard, which gives you an overview of your daily goals and progress. This initial screen is important because it sets the stage for your tracking journey today. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, navigate to the diary section of the app. You can usually find this in the bottom menu. Tapping on the diary allows you to view and log your food intake for the day. This section is crucial as it is where all your nutritional data gets recorded. Knowing how to find this part of the app is key to effectively tracking your alcohol consumption along with other foods. Now, tap on the Add Food option within the diary. This button is typically located at the top or bottom of the diary screen. When you press it, a new interface will appear, giving you the tools to search for the food or drink you want to log. This action is significant because it opens up a world of options for logging your meals and beverages. On the search bar, type the type of alcohol you want to track or simply type alcohol. This search function is user-friendly and designed to quickly pull up relevant entries from a vast database. You may see options like beer, wine, or spirits depending on what you've entered. It's important to be specific here, as this will help you find the correct entry that matches what you consumed. From the search results, tap the correct type of alcohol. The app will display various entries, so take a moment to locate the one that matches your drink. Selecting the right type is essential for accurate tracking, as different alcoholic beverages have varying calorie counts and nutritional information. This ensures that your logging is precise and helps maintain the integrity of your dietary goals. Next, specify the serving size and the number of servings you consumed, then click the check icon. Most entries will allow you to adjust the serving size to fit your consumption accurately. This step is vital because it directly affects the total calories logged for your day. After you make these adjustments, clicking the check icon confirms your entry, ensuring it's saved in your diary. By following these steps, you will have successfully tracked your alcohol consumption in MyFitnessPal. This process is crucial for anyone looking to maintain a balanced approach to their health while still enjoying occasional drinks. Remember, tracking your intake can provide insights into your habits and help you make informed choices. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy tracking!